Listen, everybody want to be thick until Aunt Blow come in town. Real thick girls know the struggle. So in today's video, I'm going to get into my favorite bodysuit and faja. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up for this video sponsors Shapes Secrets. In this video, they have, giving your girl a bodysuit and a faja. So I'm going to show you how they measure up, but I needed a bigger size and they were so nice and so sweet. They just went ahead and sent me out a different size. I love them. So yeah, let's hop straight into this. Now, normally around that time of the month when Aunt Flo's in town, your girl is really bloated. No, nobody's prego. Your girl is bloated. Okay, so this bodysuit is really good because I put the bodysuit on first. Mine came in black and my dog's in the way, but I'm not gonna lie, getting this bad boy up over my cheeks, that was kind of hard. But once that part was done, this works perfectly to help me hold everything in, right? So you don't gotta suck nothing in. And even though my little bloat bump, that's what I call it, a little bloat bump, it's still there. It still smooths everything out. So if I need to get a side shot, a little silhouette, or from the front, I'm still okay. It make the sucking it in not so hard to suck it in if you really need to make it come true. I wasn't really trying that hard right there. This one is just the bodysuit though, and I will say it feels really good. It's really breathable. I really like the material. Some of the bodysuits and fajas, the material is like really plasticky isn't a word, but this one isn't the type that you'll feel like it's gonna be making you sweat and all of that. It feels really good up against my skin, and it glides really good up against my clothes. So yeah, make sure you check the links in the description box below if you want to get your hands on this one. Remember, this is the Colombian waist shaping bodysuit. Instantly gives you curving results, post-surgical shapewear, and this is to help you get a slimmer waist. But peep game, it's a little hole at the bottom, so you can use the bathroom or whatever else, the bathroom. Yes. So next we're gonna get into this faja. Now the faja, listen, this one got a zipper, a long zipper from the front to the back. Like I said, I'm sure it's just so you can use the bathroom, but boo, do what you're gonna do. I'm not here to judge you, okay? So I really love this one. This is a high compression shaper, all right, and this one is in a high level, all right? So they go all the way from light to maximum, and this one is at high, all right? I am absolutely in love with this. It visually reduces up to 2 sizes, all right? And it has a natural, little butt lift and little butt boost and enhancement in the back, like you can see. Oh Lord, please don't try to look too long, okay? And this is great for daily use, or if you've had any type of surgery, postpartum, if you just had a baby, anything like that, or if you just need to suck stuff in. Listen, this is your friend. So I went ahead and put it on with this type of dress. I'm gonna be honest, this isn't one of those dresses I would wear it with unless I had something to cover it up with, because it does go across the entire back. But when I went ahead and took my brassiere off, that's what they used to call them, that's what when I took my bra off, then it fit really good. But you can still see the straps on the side. So this isn't, like I said, the type of dress that I would wear, but I just wanted you to see how the faja made my curves go high, you know what I'm saying? When you're bloated, all jokes aside, around that time of the month you can get super duper bloated. That is how I am. Oh my goodness, like I always know when that time of the month is coming because I blow up. like a blow up fish. But I can honestly say that Shapes Secrets is gonna be my new go-to whenever I need to slim things out to get me through that week, that 2-week period. So if you are in, you know, the type of position where you need a faja, I really recommend this faja and this bodysuit from Shapes Secrets. And if you're interested, make sure you check all of the links in the description box below to get your hands on one as soon as you possibly can, because it's very comfortable and it works really well. I'm kind of excited about it. And remember, girl, you got bathroom hole on both of them. You go to the bathroom or whatever else you're trying to do. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.